Hey YouTube, today we're working on a 2007 Chevy Express and we're going to be changing one of the marker light bulbs in the front here. It's actually pretty simple. You just need a flat-headed screwdriver. This marker light has a little L bracket on the inside that hooks in, and it's a spring-loaded tab right here that we're going to push in, and then this corner will pop out and then the whole assembly will come out. So just slide the screwdriver in there, apply some gentle pressure, pop. And then this will just pull right out. All right, what we're pushing in with a screwdriver, we're just sliding the blade of the screwdriver in along here, and we're just pushing on this a little bit because it hooks in right here. So we're just trying to push this in a little bit, and it'll release this little lock, and then you can go ahead and pry it out. And then on this side, there's a couple of little hooks. They just hook right in there, right here. So you can just hook that back in, then swing it into place, and it'll pop right back in. The bulbs are just turn them counterclockwise, quarter turn, they'll pull out, then you can pull the bulbs in and out. Super straightforward.